Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I will show you a simple way how to change fonts on Notion. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. If you were expecting to play with fonts in Notion, don't get your hopes up too high. There are only 3 built-in fonts. This may come as a drawback to some users as other word processor softwares offer hundreds of fonts. Notion developers certainly give more importance to other features related to content structure rather than to its fonts offer. So if you want to change the fonts in Notion, here is what you need to do. Click on the page menu and to top right hand corner is the 3 horizontal dots. You will see 3 options: default, serif and mono. The default sans serif workhorse, serif good for publishing, mono good for drafting endnotes. Just pick the one you like best and the fonts will automatically change. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can click the like button, that helps a lot. Thank you and bye bye.